All right, first grade mathematicians, now it's your turn to practice with 10 frames today. You are going to need to go to your EDM, to your e-toolkit. Remember, you can go through Clever to get there, or if you have the EM letters on your iPad, you can click there. When you get to this first screen, you want to click on the green button that says e-toolkit. Now, watch first graders, today is a little different. To get to the 10 frame, we usually go down to the e-tools that has a plus sign. We're going to want to go to the next plus sign, and it's next to backgrounds. Then you're going to scroll down almost to the bottom, first graders, and find 10 frames. 10 starts with the letter T. Now you get to choose. Do you want your 10 frames to go across your screen or up and down? You choose, first graders. All right, I have my 10 frames. Now I need something to count with. I'm going to click on plus E tools. And I'm going to find some counters. Oh, there I see them. There's a red counter. All right. The first thing you're going to do, first graders, is come up with an addition problem. I'm going to put some counters on my 10 frames. And I'm going to put some on the other frame as well. That looks good to me. Now, let's come up with an addition problem for this. How many counters are on my first 10 frame? Yes, it is 7. Then I'm adding some more. How many counters are on my second 10 frame? Yes, there are 2. Then I'm going to put my equal sign on my piece of paper. 7 plus 2. You could count all the counters like they are now, or you could move them all to one 10 frame if they all fit. How many counters do I have? Yes, I see I have 9. I could count them all, or I could say it's a 10 frame and there's one without a counter. So there's 9 counters. On a piece of paper, you're going to keep doing this and write a few more addition problems. But let me show you how you're going to do your subtraction problems now. To take your counters off, you can drag them over to the trash can because I want to do a brand new problem. And I'm thinking what I'm going to use for my counters this time. I think I'm going to use the blue bears. So I'm going to put some blue bears on this first 10 frame, just like this. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and come up with a subtraction problem. How many blue counters are there now? Yes, there's 8. I'm going to write an 8 on my paper. And I'm going to take away some of my counters. Here I go. All right. Now I'm going to write how many blue counters I took away. I took away 4. We'll look back at our first 10 frame. If I had 8 and I took away 4, how many blue bears are left? Yes, there are 4. Nice job. I did one subtraction problem. You're going to do a few more of them. And remember, you can always bump it up and make some harder problems for yourself too. Challenge yourself. All right, off you go, first graders.